Welcome to the session, Customize Copilot Chat in the Field Service web app. This video shows how to customize the Copilot Chat experience within the Dynamics 365 Field Service app. Starting with Wave 2 2025, Copilot Chat in the Field Service app can be customized using Copilot Studio. This exciting public preview introduces new opportunities to adapt field service more closely to specific business needs and workflows. The following use cases illustrate how this new feature can deliver more tailored user experiences. The Copilot Chat is your AI-powered assistant built into the Dynamics 365 Field Service web app. It helps dispatchers and technicians work smarter answering questions in natural language. Simply click the Copilot icon in the app header. You'll see example prompts like how many high-priority work orders are unscheduled today, or how many work orders do I have scheduled today. But what if you want to add your own information? For example, you might want to help users quickly find helpful guides and answers. Like what is an agreement in field service? Here's where it gets exciting: customization. With Copilot Studio, you can tailor the chat experience to your business needs. In Copilot Studio, a new agent is now available, called Copilot in Power Apps Field Service. This agent allows you to add topics and customize them to use various trigger types or initiate actions like flows, connectors, Dataverse plugins, and to add knowledge to the Copilot Chat from your public website or company files. This means your Copilot can answer your domain-specific questions. For example, you can use the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Learn website as a source of knowledge. This way, the agent can answer questions using information from that site. Another customizable feature is the Zero Prompt experience. It's an adaptive card that displays helpful information and options as soon as a Copilot Chat starts, so users don't have to type anything to get started. In this environment, a custom version of the Zero Prompt was created by duplicating the standard field service Zero Prompt. The default version provided with the field service app is locked and cannot be edited directly. By copying the standard Zero Prompt, the original prompts and structure were preserved, while also making it possible to introduce additional prompts and modifications tailored to specific needs. These custom prompts were added directly to the adaptive card. It's important to note that using a custom Zero Prompt means it will no longer receive automatic updates that are applied to the original standard topic. Any future improvements or changes made to the standard version would need to be manually incorporated into the custom topics code to maintain feature parity. In this case, a new container was added within the adaptive card layout to include the custom prompt. Now let's look at a specific use case and see how this feature can help solve a real problem. A field service manager is setting up a work order for an upcoming customer visit. Before dispatching a technician, it's important to make sure all the required parts are actually in stock. In the standard process, once the products are added in estimated status, the work order form does not provide any information about their availability, particularly when inventory is managed outside of field service. This often leads to delays or incomplete work due to missing parts. With the new preview feature, that gap can be filled. Copilot Chat can be customized to quickly show inventory details through a simple prompt. Instead of switching systems or calling the warehouse, the manager gets an instant, well-organized table showing part availability across locations, along with helpful insights and suggestions. A quick look at the underlying architecture. In this scenario, a new topic named WO Product Inventory Check has been created. This topic is triggered by the prompt provide WO Products Inventory Info, which was previously added in the Zero Prompt Adaptive card. Since Copilot runs within a model-driven app, several custom variables are automatically available, such as PA_Copilot_DV record context, which provides dataverse record information. This allows Copilot to understand the table context and record ID, in this case the work order ID. In this example, if the topic is triggered outside of a work order context, a message is displayed indicating that the inventory check cannot be performed. When a valid work order is present, the record ID is used in an action node to trigger a Power Automate flow. This flow retrieves the product IDs and names associated with the work order. The product IDs are then sent to an Azure function, which calls the Supply Chain Management API. The response is parsed and returned by a prompt, displayed as a message within the Copilot chat. Let's have a closer look at the prompt. The prompt node is used here to render the input data in a structured table format. In this example, the API output and variables containing product names are referenced directly within the prompt. By using natural language, the prompt is guided on how to present the information clearly to the end user. When example data is added, the prompt can be tested, allowing a preview of the output. This was only an example to showcase the potential of customizing the Copilot chat in Dynamics 365 Field Service. Additional details about this feature can be found in the Microsoft Learn documentation for Field Service. For a practical example of customizing Copilot chat, refer to Streamline Inventory Visibility in Field Service. Feel free to share your feedback and ideas. You can use the available survey scanning the QR code on this slide or typing 888 ms/FS Copilot Byte in your browser.